Hi guys, this is Elizabeth Kwam from Getty Grove, and as I talked about in the dandelion video, we are going to do some experiments with dandelion greens. Today I'm going to juice dandelion greens. I think it will be quite disgustingly bitter. So we'll just see if we can play with it to see if we can find a palatable option. This is my juicer that I got from Goodwill years ago for $5.99. I will invest in a better juicer one day, but this will do for now. Batch, it didn't juice it very well. This juicer's not like a grass juicer, so that's all I got from that whole plate of dandelions. My rabbits are gonna love those dandelion greens, and so good for them too. Okay, here we go. I'm a little scared. Quite bitter. I guess if I was taking it as a shot, it wouldn't be so bad. Let me try to put honey in it. Okay, honey. I added about a teaspoon. Need some more honey. This one has a teaspoon of sugar. That one was worse. Let's add more. Okay, more honey. That's not bad. That's not bad. I probably put a teaspoon and a half more of it in it. Maybe I'm gonna have my husband try, because I've gotten so much bitter taste in my mouth. This tastes good. So let me get a person that hasn't tried it at all. Oh, my poor doll. Let's see if you'll test it. Yucky? Yucky, yay, yay? What do you think? You want more? No? Okay, let's see what Dad thinks. Taste test. Better? I think it needs to be just taken as a shot if we're going to do it this way. Take it as a shot. Can you do it?
If I swallow quickly.
If you swallow quickly. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I started vomiting, dry heaving. It's quite disgusting. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're gonna drink it as a shot. And my husband drank it as a shot and he's not vomiting, so that's good. You know, maybe it increases bile flow in the liver because it is bile. I would say on a juicing endeavor, I would put a very small amount of dandelion greens in a drink that was predominantly something like pineapple juice and some lemons or some other sweet fruit. I think that would be very tasty. We'll have to do that sometime. Thanks for watching, guys. Next, I will make a pizza with dandelion greens on top. What do you think? What do you think?